Hi, my name is Sitch Oria. I'm the head of marketing for Fasttrack Solutions. We are an SAP partner headquartered in the Philippines and a member of the United VAR's SAP Platinum Partner Federation. Our company is 100% dedicated to SAP solutions focusing on S/4HANA, Business One, Business by Design, and Business Analytics. We also have an SAP IT Academy focused on SAP training. Recently, over 30 members of the management team participated in a 2-day SAP Marketing Excellence Workshop here in Manila, delivered by Malcolm Hamilton, Global Marketing Director from the SAP Global Digital Academy. And I have to say, it was both a challenging and an inspirational experience for the entire team. Malcolm shared global best practices and hands-on guidance on 4 topics over the 2 days. First, how to build a volume inbound lead generation engine. Second, how to succeed in the cloud. Third, the SAP 360-degree customer lifecycle. And fourth, how to build a winning value proposition. Prior to these workshops, we were aware that B2B sales and marketing best practices are changing extremely quickly and that we needed to implement change management strategies to align with the way today's technology buyers are buying. But we needed a roadmap with clear signposts on the changes we needed to make to continue to grow. These workshops gave us those signposts, and now it's all about execution. Thanks to the SAP workshops, we have aligned internally and built a comprehensive 7-pillar plan that clearly defines the internal and third-party resources available or required by the utilization of 3-tier strategic digital tools. On behalf of the entire Fasttrack team, thank you Malcolm and SAP for your partnership and support.